Hi, today we are going to see the demo for survey app. So this app is useful for the colleges and companies. So if you have thousands of employees or students, you can able to get a survey of about your service or product. Okay, so let's go for the demo. Okay, so before going, so we will see the delivery part. So this is your delivery folder. Okay, so here you will have the web folder. So we are developed the using the PHP and MySQL is our backend. So you can see the coding part in the Notepad++. So if you expand the web folder, you can see the front end will be the HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So you can see the front end part. So this is the Bootstrap part. Okay, and CSS and Bootstrap part, and the main backend codings will be available in the PHP part. So the user login.php, user registered.php. So these are all the core backend codings for the project. And additionally, we are using JS, Angular, JavaScript. So inside the JS folder, you can see the Angular underscore files, Angular underscore user data admin. These are all the core JavaScript codings for our project. So which we have written to the Angular JS. Okay. So this is the coding part. So to start the project, what you have to do is you have to search for XAMPP control panel. Okay, open XAMPP control panel, and here you have to start Apache and start MySQL. MySQL is our backend database. Okay, so where you can able to see the backend records, tables and all. To see that, you have to click this admin button. So once you click the admin button, it will promote you to the web browser. So this is your backend database. In the left hand side, you can see your project database. There is survey. If you select it, you can able to view all the tables over here. So we are using 6 tables in the project. So login table, questions table, so questions list table, answer table and all. So if you select the login table, who are all registered to this app, so you can able to view the username, password and all. So this is the backend table part. Okay, and to start the project, so here in your root folder there will be readme file will be there. Open the readme file in the Notepad++. Here there will be URL will be there. Copy this URL and put it in the web browser. So if you do that, your application gets started in the web browser. So here we have 2 roles. One is the user and the admin. So this is the credential for the user and admin. So let's start with the admin module. The admin credential is admin@gmail.com. Password is test. Login successful. So once you login as a admin, you can able to add the survey. You can able to see the summary of the survey. Okay, average ratings and all. And you can view the each individual answers of the users. And you can create new user. You can view, update and delete the users. Okay. If you want to add a new user, go to the create user. Enter their name, email ID, password, a mobile number and all. So we have the 8-digit password and 10-digit mobile number validation and all. So you can able to create a new user. So once you create it, you can able to view in the view user. Okay. So here you can able to search by means of the name. You can search by the address wise. You can search by any field over here. Okay. If you want to update any field, you can able to update the mobile number or any details over here. If you want to delete the user, you can delete the user over here. So this is the adding the new user. So let's add a survey to the application and we will get the results for the survey. So let's go to the add survey. So here previously I have added some survey. So I'm going to create a new survey. I'm going to take a survey about our canteen. So survey name is canteen, add survey. It is created now. So once you created, you have to assign the canteen survey to someone, or you have to provide the date and time. So click on the assign, and here you have to provide when your survey is going to start and when is your survey is going to end. Okay. So if the time is finished means, so you can't able to write the survey, and how many count are there, how many time they can able to attempt it. So usually it will be 1. So for whom you have to get that way is for your staff, for your customers, for your managements or others. So I'm just taking everyone. So this thing you have to do. We have the time and the date validation. If you are entering the yesterday date, if you are entering the future date, it will not be, you can't able to write the survey. Okay, so I'm entering the current date. it is created successfully. So once you created, you can view the details in the more details options. Okay, so if you want to add the question details, so next option you have to add the questions, select the canteen details. So here we have variety of questions over here, so let's see one by one. So first we have command type questions, objective types questions, smiley, rating 5 means 1 to 5 rating, 1 to 10 rating, percentage means 100 10 to 0 to 100 percentage, star rating, yes or no answers, progress, rating questions. So we have almost 10 types of questions over here, so you can choose anything. So I am going to create a first question for command. So the first question is, so here in this question column you have to write the question, what type of food you need to buy. So it is a command type question. So question, whatever the question you have created, it will be visible over here. So you can see the next is objective type question. So how often do you visit? Okay, and then so the variety of food, so the rating will be 5. Quality of food, the rating up to 0 to 1, 0 to 10. Cost of the food, I am providing as a star. Healthy, good choice, I am providing as a smiley. We have created, yeah, so it's a smiley question. And then for the percentage overall rating, so percentage is like how many minimum percentage. Okay, so like 35 to maximum 100, acceptable is up to 35. Okay, and then yes or no type, so select the corresponding yes or no type and rating question. So you can get 5-star rating and with commands, that is called rating question. So rating question is a 5-star command, and you will have the this one also. You will have 5 options to do. Okay, so now I have created all the questions over here. So almost I have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so almost I have created 9 questions over here. So if you go to the backend, you can see the question number is 9. If you provide 9 answers, then only you can able to complete your survey. So now you can see it is created now. So that's all. So we have created a survey. So from the user side, we will write the survey and we will check the summary result and answers. So I am logged out from the admin login. So I am just login as a user. So user@gmail.com, password is test, login successful. So once you log in as a user, so the user can be a college student or manager or employee, can be anybody. So go to the survey. Okay, so I can see for the today date is 16/10. For example, I am going to change it as 18. Okay, so if you are starting the survey, so it is 18. So if you start the survey, so it is a survey is not started, please wait. So we have kept the start date and end date validation. So it will be working between the days only. Okay, so make sure you are providing the correct data. Okay, so now it is the current date, today date. I am starting the survey. So whatever we have created, so it will be same appearance over here, but it will have been different. So how many times we have written? So I am choosing 4. So do you have any comments? So once you submit it, it will be freezed over here. So variety of food we have kept up to rating 5. So quality of food we have kept up to rating 10 type, and overall rating percentage is 80%. Okay, so it is yes or no. Have you ever qualified for the canteen? No. Canteen service. So this is a comment and star. So you can, so cost of the food is a star question. So healthy food is a smiley question. So it is okay. So once you update the results, so all the results will be updated over here, and you have submitted successfully. So you can see your results, whatever the results you have updated. You can choose the corresponding survey. You can view what are all the survey you have done. Okay, so this is the your answers you can able to view, and in the my profile you can able to reset your password like that. Okay, so let's go for the admin module and we will have a detailed summary. So you can go for the summary result, and here you have to choose your survey name and submit it. So once you select it, you can have a detailed type. So what are the for each answers, how much they have answered like that. Okay, so on the overall rating in the 5 stars and the percentage and all, and you can able to view the extra module, like for rating 5, how many of them provided for 1 star rating. Okay, 5 star rating is 1, average rating is 5, number of users is 1, and the quality for the 10, healthy food choice is up to 1, and canteen service this one, and cost of the food 5 star. Okay, so you can view the overall average rating over here. Okay, and you can view the individual results in the answer page. So if you go for answer, you can able to view all the answers over here. So you can select by the survey name, and you can able to view the details over here. So you can also search by means of the individual also, so how much they have provided. Okay, so this is what the modules of the project. So that's all. Thank you.